Now here is the structure of monocyte, which is the type of WBC, that is white blood cells. Now this is the nucleus of monocyte. This nucleus is not multi-lobed, but we can say that its lobes are basically fused. Just outside the nucleus there is liquid which is called cytoplasm. This is cytoplasm. Now the cytoplasm of monocyte has Golgi complex, some centrosomes, mitochondria. Now the mitochondria are very numerous inside it, and they are small sized. This is all about the structure of monocyte. Now let us look at the features, functions and their formation. Monocyte is basically a granulocyte. That is, they do not have granules in the cytoplasm. Now their count in the WBC is about 8%, and the lifespan of monocyte is for few hours when it is found inside the bloodstream. Now they are formed from the stem cells in bone marrow. One feature which is very important is that they have developmental plasticity, which means that they can be easily transformed into macrophages, or the dendrite cells. And the interesting fact is that these macrophages do not have a short lifespan. They have a lifespan of about months to years. Now these macrophages do not have a very short period of time. Now as soon as this monocyte leave the bloodstream, they may enter into different tissues. Now once they enter into the different tissues, they are named accordingly. Now for example, now if these monocytes take a residence in the central nervous system, then they are called microglia. And if these monocytes enter into the spleen, this is called histiocytes. Means when they enter into the different tissues, they are called histiocytes. And if these monocytes enter into the alveoli of the lungs, then they are said to be as alveolar macrophages. If these monocytes found a destination in the liver inside the human body, then they are said to be as Kupffer cells. And if these monocytes enter into the skin, then they are called Langerhans cells. Just remember that when these type of WBC are found inside the bloodstream, they are called monocyte, and once they enter in different tissues, then they are called macrophages. Now let us look at the functions of monocytes. These monocytes are very important as they are found at the site of inflammation. This is usually a response of white blood cell when they fight against microorganism. Now the second function is that they help in phagocytosis. It means phago means to eat and cytosis means cells. So if they eat bacterial fungal cells, then we term it as phagocytosis. Now this is important one because they help in the defense mechanism. Now the third function is that they are one of the master cells of immune system. Since they perform variety of functions in different tissues and protect them. Now the next is they also recognize the danger signals or stimuli. Since they have the presence of recognition receptors in it. And the last function is that they perform function in both innate and adaptive immune system. I hope that you get well understood with the today's topic. Thanks for watching.